my heart and taught me what is right of all my friends. You're really different.
Guys, the miraculous image of our Mother Perpetual Help. Guys, alam nyo yung story nito? Si Celestino ang gumawa nito guys, isang Pilipino guys, a 6-time world champion. And then one time guys, ang iyang barko nalunod, ang isakyan. At nandiyan paglunod ato guys, nasa nawirang nga kahoy. Kabalo mo sa itong nga kahoy, our Mother Perpetual Help guys. Kato sa nga kahoy, nakakarve guys. And that's why he became a devoted. Guys, our Mother Perpetual Help. Guys, that's why bitaw guys, tanaw ni mo our Mother Mary, side view, kilid guys, iyang mata na ubis kanato guys, gatanaw guys. Because dili ta niya iyaan guys.
Jesus.